Welcome my viewers to the Magic Behind channel. This is the channel where we teach you about electronics components and how to use those components to make working circuits. In today's video, I want to show you how to make traffic lights controller for motor vehicles. Before we move ahead, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video. I want to show you the materials I've used to complete this project. A plywood, right emitting diodes, jumper wires, these ones, a drill to make holes on the plywood, a solder, AC to DC rectifier. In my previous videos, I've shown you how to make one, a screwdriver, a nail cutter, a soldering iron, and an LED chaser. In my previous video, I've shown you how to make 7 channels LED chaser. The one I'm using right now is a 7 channels chaser, but I'm just using 3 channels, 1, 2, 3. On this project, I have 3 channels, channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. Each of my channel has 27 LEDs. These LEDs are color red, these are color yellow, and these are color green. I have used a combination of series connections and parallel connections. On each channel, I have arranged 3 LEDs first. I have arranged them in series, 3. So on this one, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 arrangements of series connection. The same here and the same here. After that, I have arranged those series connections in parallel. I have connected them in parallel. Let me explain to you the arrangement of LEDs for each channel using this drawing. Let us assume these are our LEDs. And on this channel, I have 27 LEDs. You have, first of all, to arrange them in 3-3, the same I've done. This is 1 LED, 2, 3. You arrange them in series, the way I've done, and you ensure anodes are on the same side and the cathodes are on the other side. The same case with here, the same case with here. All these, the additional of this comes to 27 LEDs on one channel. This is one channel. The way I have done here. All these are 27 LEDs. What you need to understand is that it's not necessary you arrange them the way I've done. You can shape anything using LEDs. You can make a letter, shapes, or even you can draw an animal using LEDs, or a human being. Just what you need to understand is how to arrange them in series first, then you arrange them in parallel. To arrange them in parallel, you come and connect all these anodes and you connect all these cathodes. So this is where you'll connect the positive terminal, and this is where you'll connect the negative terminal. This is LED chaser, and it's a 1 channel LED chaser. This is the positive output, and this is the negative output terminal. So when you have arranged your LEDs this way, this terminal here you'll come and connect it here at this positive output terminal. Then this negative, you come and connect it here. I have drawn a diagram for the three channels, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. I want to show you how to arrange them and how to connect them on the chaser. What you need to know is that each channel must have the same number of LEDs, 27, 27, 27. If in case you make one of the channels to have like 20 or 21, it will not work. All the two channels will work, but the third one will not work. The chaser needs all the channels to have the same number of LEDs arranged correctly for it to work. Now on this chaser, I have three channels, 1, 2, 3. For the positive of this first channel comes to the first output terminal, this one. The second channel, you take the positive connection, you connect it to the second output terminal of the chaser, and the third positive of the third channel, you connect it to third output terminal of the chaser. After that, for the cathodes, you connect all of them together. You connect all them together. Then you come and connect those cathodes here. The cathode output terminal of the chaser is 1. Even if you have 7 channels, you connect all the cathodes together and you connect them here. Here. This is how the connections look at the back. As I've explained to you through that diagram I've drawn, the yellow wire is all the anodes, and I've connected them to this terminal. This is for the first channel. For the second channel, this is where all the anodes are, and for the third channel, this is where all the anodes are. For the cathodes or the negative, as you can see, I've started my connection here. I've brought that black wire connecting, coming down to the second channel, coming down to the third channel, and then I've connected to this terminal. Then this wire will come and be connected to this terminal here. And for the anodes, they will come here, 1, 2, 3. Let us now connect, we test. I have now done all the connections from the LEDs to the chaser. I now want to put our circuit to power. We test whether it's working. As you can see, our circuit is working. If you want to make the speed of the flashing to be faster or slower, you can tune the variable resistor using a screwdriver. You tune either clockwise or anti-clockwise. The caution I can give you is that never touch any part of the circuit with your bare hands when the power is on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Share it with friends whom you think may be interested. On the comment section below, ask me any question in regard to this video, in regard to my previous videos. And also, do not forget to subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video if you have not yet done so. Once again, thank you so much. See you in my next video.